Good morning, guys. This is me about to get ready for my day. My son has a dentist appointment, and right now I'm about to spray some dry shampoo in my hair, but I am going to let y'all see real life in the mornings. I mean, you know, can't all wake up looking beautiful, and I certainly don't with this half length hair. And the reason it is so bad, and I'll probably do it again, the reason it is so bad, that was dry shampoo for two reasons. One, to help fluff it up, and two, to soak up some of the oil. And I should have shown you what it looked like, because it has dried it out quickly. Some good stuff. That's L'Oreal. Now I'm going to tell you, you can't use it, you know, too many days in a row, or people will know that you've got dusty hair. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to turn on my good old trusty wand. Let it be heating. While I put on my makeup, and I'm going to take y'all with me. So we're going to walk into the bedroom. Hopefully there is enough light. I may get out my ring light. My ring light needs batteries, so it's not putting out good light. Yeah, this light may be better. Sometimes the sun comes in that window and it is terrible. And I have been lazy. I want my hair cut short, real short. Which way? Yeah, I wear it on this side. This side is long. And the reason I'm having such a time with it growing out is because when my niece I didn't have it cut this way because she was getting married, but it was about the time that she got married. I had my hair cut sort of into a bob, and then I had it undershaved. If y'all know what that is, you know, had a bob, and then I had all of that was under it shaved off down. Probably they used, I don't know if she used a 1 or less. And so that has I'm going to look down here in my mirror for just a second. Anyway, that is why my hair is not growing out good. But I'm about tired of it. And everybody says, you look better with longer hair. Well, I don't really like longer hair unless I can have a big spiral perm, which is out of date. Oh, I put that in the wrong spot. Crazy, because I'm talking too much. And it's out of date, and my hairdresser will do it. She don't like it. Takes too long. She will do it, but I know she don't like to, because I want spiral curls that hang and spiral curls that I don't have to work with. You know what I'm saying? Even my cousin, who is a hairdresser, hey Charity, if you're watching, she won't even do them for me. And I don't want beachy waves. I want curls. I want curls. My hair is, you know, board straight. I've got the most pretty lipstick. It's just a lip pencil, really, or lip, chunky lip. It's by a company called Folklore, and it is called Lavender. I'm going to put it on right here so y'all. Beautiful. It's metallic. And I'm going to tell you, wears pretty good. I have seen a lot of their makeup. It's pretty, seems to be pretty good. Their eyeshadows are pretty good. And when I'm not on a no-buy, mother, I'm not on a no-buy, I am on a no-buy. She tries to keep me in check. I'm going to get some of their eyeshadows. But this is metallic, and when I ordered it, it said it was lavender, but I think it's a pink color. And I'm going to tell you, I went to bed with my makeup on one night. I wasn't feeling well. And when I woke up, the only makeup I had on, left on, other than my mascara, of course, was this lipstick. Yeah. It's creamy, doesn't dry down. I love it. Yeah. And it helps show off my newer, bigger lips. So I've been doing derma rolling since when? September of last year. And so, yeah. That's how long it's been. And it's a dramatic difference. My top lip wasn't as wide. My left side was way smaller and seemed droopy. 'Cause I just have that droopiness on the side for some reason. I don't know. But I made sure I'd done it more on this side. Paid more attention to this side than this side. Now I need to try to catch this side up and then start doing it regular. Okay, so I've got my pink powder. I'm going to do under my eyes, hoping to get the mascara off, and might not be able to do it this way, and brighten under my eyes. That's what I do with it, instead of yeah, that took it. See, can you tell it took it? I use that to brighten under my eyes instead of a liquid highlighter, because that, I haven't found any that doesn't just go, oh, look at my wrinkles. Look at that crow's foot over there. That side. Anyway, this pink powder will brighten up your skin. I did that under my eyes. And I'm fixing to spray this alcohol on my face. I'm about to be out of Wet n Wild. I like this. You know, for $4.99, to me, you can't beat it. It's a setting spray. I'm about out, you can tell. Oh, and I'm going to tell you, I talk about Lorac, and it's just because of things she irks me, but I'm going to tell you who my very favorite bootuber is. And y'all know if I say bootuber who that is if y'all watch her. And that is Glamour Index. Y'all need to go over and check out her channel. She is a down-to-earth girl, Southern girl. My Southern girls gotta stick together. Seriously, I love her. She is not a normal. She is not a normal beauty guru or whatnot. She keeps it real. You will like her. Just a shout out. I have several that I like. Smaller. Got to where I don't really like to watch the bigger ones. And they don't respond to your comments. They can't even be bothered as to like them, though I know they get a lot. Or if you send them a message on their Instagram asking a specific question that, you know, might take 3 words to answer, or maybe a whole 10, they don't respond. You know, when I started my YouTube channel, I was so inspired by Tati, and this is before I found the Glamour Index. Yeah, I just found her in the last probably year, but before I started my channel, I was wanting to start a YouTube channel. And you know, you're afraid to, and you know, you talk to people about it, they think you're crazy. And they, you know, they don't support you in it at all. And so I emailed her, not emailed her, but, well, yeah, I did. I emailed her, and I sent her a message on Instagram, just asking her when she very first started, you know, very first, when she was still working at the beauty counter, what her setup was and what did she use to edit. Because I don't have a good editor, y'all know if y'all watch my videos, and I'm not good at editing. And then I commented on her video. I didn't ask that, but I did just some other stuff that I thought would be easy to respond to that wasn't business, you know, it was beauty. Nothing. And now I notice all her little minions, that's what I'm going to call them. Tati made me do it. What? Why? She don't respond to nothing? How does she make you do something when she don't even act like she has fans? I just don't get that. So here I am with my old woman do. And so I'm going to spray it. I'll do the old woman tease. I hate teasing my hair. This is what we did in the 80s. I didn't do too much because I had short hair. I wasn't into the big hair then either. Always have my own style. So if I wanted to look like Cyndi Lauper, I wanted my hair colored up like her. Still do. When I get it cut, I'm probably going to have some kind of primary color in there, so y'all can just wait. Alright, I've got to get dressed, and then we'll be out the door. Alright, so I'm in the car on the way to get my son from the high school. We're on the way to the dentist. I'll set y'all down for just a minute. Such a beautiful day today. I thought it was going to be cold, but it's not. It was in the low 30s last night. About to pull up to the high school to get my 14-year-old. This is my son. Say hey.
Hey.
Hey, look. Ain't he beautiful? Alright, so we're at our destination. So we're back home. Everything went well at the dentist. And so we're probably going to end the video here because I've got to decide what I'm going to do for supper. I have no idea. But anyway, I'll see you next time, as I always say. And thank you for joining me. And see y'all later. Bye-bye.